Hey, 10-bit it is. Hey, I'm Fish. I'm not going to get into great detail about 8-bit, 10-bit, just GoPro footage. Enjoy. Santa, you did a good job, buddy. All right, thank you very much, buddy. Thank you for steering us in the right direction. I'm thinking about a USB-C to 3.5 millimeter male adapter so I could figure out how I could get my Tech onto the GoPro. I'm thinking about my DX6 Spectrum, a Blades helicopter, a Blades drone. That's the only one that has a Spectrum to use with that control. I wonder if there's any other helicopters that I could share with the DX6 that doesn't cost me an arm, a leg, a finger, a toe, so forth. I'll think about those brands on Amazon or eBay that you could simply get a helicopter in those 2.4 gigahertz remote, long battery life, and enjoy. I'm thinking about my winter fun indoors. A little helicopter that I could fly around that would go this way, forward, backwards, up, down, over, you name it. Well, I'm Fish. Time for me to go get some 10-bit coloring like Color Director and share the fun to the world of the GoPro Hero 11. I hope you enjoy the sample footages I brought to you. I'm out of here. I'll see you on other videos to come.